Hi everyone and welcome back. This is a phonics lesson about the TH sounds in English. A phonics lesson for you. I will show you the two pronunciations of TH together. I will show you some examples of TH sounds in common words. I will give you some practice reading lists also. Finally, I'll give you some tips if you're having trouble with the TH sound. Some people have trouble with the th or th sound, and that's okay. We'll start slow. Many common words include this sound, the TH sound. So the TH sound is very important in English. Number 1. This is the unvoiced TH. Number 2 is the voiced TH. In this video, I will use thin letters for unvoiced TH sounds and bold letters for voiced TH sounds. Remember, thin letters, unvoiced, bold letters, voiced. Sometimes we find this at the beginning of the word. This, that, these, those. Think, thick, thin, thanks. We can also find this in the middle of the word. Mother or father. Weather, clothing, another. Now the unvoiced. Lethal, method, ethical, healthy. And also at the end of words. Bathe, smooth, breathe, teeth, bath, math, with, fifth. Now you can practice reading on your own. Pause the video or take a screenshot and read these lists. Alright, I hope you had no troubles with those, but I will read them quickly for you now. Than, them, they, their. Thunder, thing, three, thorn. Father, other, weather, further. Cathode, python, wealthy, birthday. Clothe, loathe. Tooth, moth, tenth, mouth. Can you hear the difference? Are you having problems with the TH sounds? Well, here are some quick tips. Just start by putting your tongue loosely between your front teeth. Don't bite down too hard. Just rest your tongue in between your front teeth. Now, try to blow air past your tongue. Leave your tongue between your front teeth and try to blow air through. The air should go over your tongue. Now, leave your tongue in between your front teeth and try to hum, make sounds with your voice. The tip number 2 with the air is the unvoiced TH sound. Tip number 3, when you try to hum at the same time, is the voiced TH sound. So this could help you become more comfortable speaking these sounds later. Just practice. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you next time.